Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to restore old photo using AI. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using CapCut, so you can sign up or create account on it, and then you see AI tool, so click on it. So we are going to restore old photo. Then you see multiple option. Now you see 4 images, so click on it, and then you see again multiple option. Now you see old photo restoration, repair your damaged photo or bring them new life with color, so click on it. So this is our image and we are going to restore it. Now upload, now processing, and then you see generating, upload it. Now you see old photo restore. So this is our old photo and this is our new restoration photo by using AI. If you want, you can add colored on it, so it's up to you, and then click on export. Now save. Now done. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.